Hey everybody, Sid Miramontes and Sean Daly here to chat with you today about websites and all that we've learned and wasted on websites over the years. So I guess I'll start, Sean. Sean and I have been working together for years now, almost getting on a decade here, coming up pretty soon. But right when I hired Sean, I had I had paid another SEO company to build our website, and these guys were highly decorated with awards and what have you. And they had just finished our website, and I thought at the time, which didn't know any better, I thought, hey, this looks really cool, and we paid six figures for it, and thought, hey, this is going to get us some business. And then Sean, what did you ask me?
How many appointments have you got because of that website? And what was your answer?
I was stammering and stuttering like Porky Pig. And then I said, none. We had zero. We had zero. So, in the end, we've paid for websites and web traffic from all these different marketing companies. Folks, I've spent seven figures easy on all types of marketing, and that all these things people promise you traffic and all these eyes on your website, and actually none of that matters. Who cares how many people look at your website? It only matters how many people buy, and all the rest of the crud doesn't mean anything. So Sean, I'll let you give any more input here after that first initial meeting.
Yeah, just to pick apart something you said, you described the website as it looked cool,
Yep.
and that's what a lot of times happens with companies building websites. They build something that's really pretty looking,
Yeah.
or looks cool, and in the end, like I don't care what the website works, how it looks. Like I want a meeting, like I want leads, and so we have a lot of different tips on how to improve the website. Um, and it's not just one thing that is going to all of a sudden have a converting site. So in this video, we're just going to talk about one of the ideas that we've been able to implement that has worked really well. And I learned this from someone named Don Miller, and he's wrote a couple of different marketing books, and so we implemented it and it worked. So it's, people come to our site, chances are they're looking at other websites as well. And so we want to stand out and make it look easy to work with us. And also make it simple so they can see the benefit working with us. And so the section of our site where we're asking people to schedule meetings, we typically have something that says like, this is how you get started. And then we list out like steps 1, 2, and 3 on how to work with us. I don't say it this way on the site, but I'm trying to show that it's as easy as like 1, 2, 3. So typically like step 1 is schedule a call, or like fill out the form, whatever your call to action is to be. Just something super simple. Step 2, like sure, you might have like a 2 or 3 meeting process, and you might do a risk analysis and look at their and their investments and their cash flow and all that, but we don't want to say that. We just want to say something like design your plan. So step 1, schedule a call. Step 2 is, hey, we're going to design your plan. And then step 3 is we want it to be the benefit of working with us. And so that might be like enjoy your retirement, or travel more, whatever you want to say, whatever the benefit is to working with you, peace of mind. So step 1, schedule a call. Step 2 could be like design your plan. Step 3 could be enjoy your retirement. So when someone looks at that, they're looking at other websites and they're often getting confused and not really sure what direction to go. The simple works, and it works best. So just having a 1, 2, 3 plan. Sid, I want you to share kind of the impact of this, but I know it's gonna be hard to pinpoint the impact of this specifically, but just in general of how we've been able to fix your website and turn it into
Sure. Before we had a really pretty website, and who cares in the end? I just like everybody else out there only want meetings and conversions to closes, not someone saying, hey, that's the prettiest website I've ever seen. So we went from no meetings to getting scheduled, where we'd end up getting one meeting a week, typically on average, that actually kept meeting, which is different from people who schedule meetings. You know, get back to the only meetings that you care about are those that you actually keep, and actually more importantly that the only meetings you care about are those that you close. So again, you got to give the end user who's out there in internet land to look at your site and make it simple for them to understand what the breadcrumbs look like to get to the end, instead of all this unbelievable beauty that you get bamboozled into by all these marketing companies, because everyone's got the solution, but they don't, is what I found a lot. And they're just basically pitching you more traffic. That's not going to get it done. Who cares about who sees my website? I only want those people that are going to actually close and do business. So you want to make it simple and easy, and we can go over and teach you how to do that through any one of our companies, through our all-inclusive insurance services IMO, or our RIA, or our broker dealer, Balanced Security Plan.
Love to work with you guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll love to schedule a one-on-one and just talk about different ways that we can help your business grow. Have a good day.
Thanks, everybody.